If is here for you type the driver to load, and that's why insert the VCL website and like the load for the VCL website. The VCL website virus and easy download for the VCL website. And that's right. This here for the VCL website. Click here. That's right. Click here for the title, driver and download. This here for the title and search the face here model the print. This here for the tag here automatic printing system. And my operating system for Windows 10. If you need to download the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Windows for Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version, you click here. This here for Mac shell of Mac 11, new version for Mac. And if you need to download, you click here, and you click for the title, and click button start download. This here for the try for download, and this here for the Linux version, you click here. This here for the update for the Linux 2027, 28, 29 for the federal version. This here for the Red Hat and OpenSUSE Ubuntu for the Linux version. And this video I'm going to download for Windows. It's right here for Windows version. This here for the Windows 11 version, and this here for Windows 10. Windows 10 for the driver, Windows 11 driver, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows Server support. And this video I'm going to download for Windows 11. It's like here, you're looking the date release, and this here for support new date release and support for the Windows 11 and language English support. If some recommendation for you, you can look for the package, and this here for universal print driver installation package. You click here for the title, and you click here for start download. This here for you try for download. If you need install, swipe this here for you driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, turn on board printer, input cable USB printer to laptop or PC with USB cable printer, and to swipe finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you will click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. It's here for the type automatic USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need more below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.